Okay, look how much the guys got done in the living room today. I mean, the kitchen. This is what's got to still be, I mean, they've got most of the lowers at least in place now, so it's looking pretty good. This is a monstrous kitchen sink going in right here. Oh, my husband really wanted one because he's got this monstrous stove going in here. So all the lowers look like they're in place. I would have thought they'd put uppers in first. I don't know why, but I just would have. Here's the pantry right now, but they have uppers still going up there too. It's gonna be a really tall one because this is already about 8 foot. I think that's gonna be 9 or 10 foot tall pantries, and a little lazy Susan in there. Looking good, looking good. Don't know how much they get done tomorrow, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, here we are, getting the doors on. I gotta get them all aligned. Of course, still all those uppers are gonna be glass, so those aren't in yet, they're different. But making some real progress. Here's the bar that we asked them to put 2 of the glass. Oh, I guess all 3 of the doors are on. Anyway, they look like that. They've got like a bronze mirrored, but you can see through them with the light. That's gonna be good. Here we are back at the pantry. Look at this huge, monstrous pantry. Can't wait. Okay, anyways, these are all up there. And there we are putting those corners in. Let's go see what they're doing outside. Oh, they're working hard on this cantilever. These are the structures called 4K structures. They have just a slight angle to go back, and all the water would go off the back of it so that water doesn't stand on top of it. And that way it doesn't need a post either. They can go out about 12 or 16 feet. So they're working on that backsplash with a grill and all that stuff's going. We're working a little bit on that fireplace today. I don't see anything major done in there. And then over here, let's see how my closet is coming along. I think it's doing pretty well, actually. These guys are really far along in my closet. Here's what it looks like so far. Okay, they're going great. It's got a lot of work. These are gonna be some beautiful doors, but they're not coming until like May 6th or something, right? May 6th, okay. And then there's like all kinds of stuff in here anyway. It's kind of cool, just trying to figure it out. Okay, it's gonna look good. Okay, so here we are. Oh, you have a snake thing. We just found a little guy. Oh, a little rattler right behind our garbage cans. Look at that little guy. Oh, he's trying to rest, DJ. Well, this is the kind of stuff you find when you live in Arizona.
Oh. No, he's just trying to take off. I'd move a little.
Uh-oh.
In the bucket. Trust me, it's what's best for you. Come on.
And then once they go in the bucket, then they don't come out?
Well, he's gonna try, but no. In the bucket. A bag or a pillowcase is probably best.
And then do you need something more to cover him in there? And then once they're in there, they kind of stay?
Well, that's the hope. I don't really have
What do you mean the hope?
for it.
What do you normally do?
Well, normally I got a lid.
Oh, we need a cover for this thing.
No. That's a plástico.
Let's see, Michael, do we have something we could cover it with? And then where do you put him out? Like, how about, can you let him go somewhere very far away?
The desert would be ideal.
Yeah, very far away, please. Okay, here it is, a Saturday. Finishing up, they're getting that media wall ready. As you can see, the media wall and the bar countertop doing a good job. We'll see how it turns out.